Send bulk messages in TaxDome. Save time and effort by sending bulk messages to your clients while maintaining secure real-time communication. To start a conversation with multiple clients simultaneously, click the Client section from the left sidebar to go to your clients list. Then, look for the accounts to which you want to send the message. Check the boxes on the left side to select the accounts to which you want to send a message. Then click the three-dot More Actions button at the top and select Send Message. You will then create a message in this slide bar. You can write a message from scratch or select a message template. If you forgot to include one of your clients, you can click this drop-down menu and then select the accounts from the drop-down list. You can also customize the subject or the message itself if you need to. Using shortcodes, you can personalize the message for each client. You can enable reminders so that an additional email will be sent to the client if they don't respond within a specific time frame, and even add tasks for your clients. Once you're done, click the Create Chats button.